Today, I'll walk you through how to make a table in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking table so you can enhance your website's content effectively. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on Create New Page. This is your starting point where you'll build your table. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will be similar. Once you're on the new page, look for the plus icon, click on it to add a new section. This action opens up a world of design possibilities. Next, in the search bar, type Table. This will help you find the right widget quickly. Once you see the options, click on Data Table. This widget is specifically designed for creating tables, making your task much easier. Now let's set up the headers. Click on Header to start customizing your table. Think of this as the title of a chapter in a book. It's essential for guiding your readers. After setting your header, it's time to change the column names. Click on the appropriate section to edit the names as per your content. This step is crucial as it helps your audience understand the data presented. Next, click on Content. Here you can add the actual data into your table. Take your time, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once your content is in place, click on Export if you want to save or share your table. This feature is handy for those who need to use the table in different formats. Now let's move on to styling. Click on Style. This is where you can make your table visually appealing. Set the width to ensure it fits well within your layout. Next, click on Header Style. This option allows you to customize the header's appearance. You can set a header border to separate it from the rest of the table, making it stand out. After that, change the text color to match your website's theme. This step is like choosing the right paint for a room. It can dramatically change the overall look. Then click on Border Type. Here, you can select how you want the borders of your table to appear. Borders can add structure and clarity to your data. Next, click on Content Style. This is where you can further enhance the look of the data within your table. Finally, click on Advanced for additional customization options. This section allows you to add margins, padding, and other advanced settings to make your table truly unique. And there you have it, you've successfully created a table in Elementor. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.